Watch the Shona Ferguson TV breakdown that had Connie in tears. Shona Ferguson shook the internet on Monday with an emotional performance on drama series The Queen that had fans and his wife Connie weeping. Shona's character, Jerry, was betrayed by his sister boy, played by Mara Louw, after she didn't tell him that his boy was also sleeping with his son. He confronted her to tell her how disappointed he was and started crying. "You should have protected me and told me the truth, but you chose to lie to me and I will never forgive you," Shona's character screamed with tears running down his face. Taking to Twitter after the show, Shona's wife Connie said that watching her husband break down on TV broke her heart. "Watching Shona cry like that ripped my heart to shreds. Funny how he's the one consoling me now, telling me baby it's just acting like I don't know. Now I'm crying and laughing at the same damn time. Bravo Mr. Show." Meanwhile, fans and celebs alike flocked to social media to applaud Shona and hail the scene as one of the best in the history of TV and SUP.